Hi everyone, I wanted to come on and do another math lesson with you today. Today we're going to work on adding two-digit numbers with multiples of 10. So we've worked on this before, but today we're going to try a different strategy. The strategy that we're going to use today is using an open number line. Okay, so let's take a look at our first problem here. We have the number 38. So that's our two-digit number, and we have 10. We'll keep it simple. It's our first multiple of 10. So we're going to add together 38 plus 10, and we're going to use an open number line. So let's look at our number line here. We want to start with the number 38. So I'm going to put down here 38. And so let's look at our addend here. We have 10. So we're going to think about, with our number line here, if we want to do big skip jumps or little skip jumps. So the number 10 is a big number. We're not using ones yet because you can see we have 0 in our ones place. So we're going to do a big skip jump. Our big skip jump is going to be 10. So I'm going to do this. 10. I had to do a big skip jump. I had 38, and I'm going to be doing a big skip jump of 10. So we know if we were counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, we know 40 is the next 10 up from 30, and our ones place is staying the same. So instead of 38, if we jump 10 more, we have 48. So that means with 38 plus 10, our answer, our sum is 48. So now let's try another one. And we're going to use some bigger multiples of 10. So for our next problem, we're going to keep using the same strategy. We're going to be using the open number line. So how about this time, we will do 46 plus 20. So if you're doing it along on your paper, you can write down 46 plus 20. Remember, we're adding our two-digit number with a multiple of 10. And our multiple of 10 this time is 20. So same as before, let's use our open number line. So I'm going to draw that right here on my board, and you can draw it right on your paper. So this is our open number line. It's open because we can put the numbers we want on here. Okay? So the number we want to start with is 46, because that's the number that we have on here, 46. So let's look at what number we're adding to 46. We're adding 20. Now remember, 20 is a big number. If we look here, we have two tens. So we're going to want to do two big skip jumps of 10, because we have 10, 20. We have two tens. So we're going to do 10, 20. Okay? That's what we did. This is 10. And this is 10. 10, 20. So let's see. We're going to jump up 10 more from 46. 10 more than 46 is 56. We have to jump 10 more, and 10 more than 56 is 66. So using our open number line, we were able to do two skip jumps of 10 to go from 46, 56, 66. So our answer, or our sum, of 46 plus 20 equals 66. It's so easy. You can just draw it on your paper too. They look like big numbers, but just like that, you can solve them, and using the open number line makes it so easy. So let's try another one. And I hope you're doing it along with me, so write it out on your paper too. So let's start doing some even trickier ones. Let's do, how about 23 plus 30? So write it along on your paper, 23 plus 30 equals, okay? So you can look on here, 23 plus 30 equals, remember our two-digit number, starting off with 23, and our multiple of 10 here is 30. So just like before, if you're drawing it on your paper to solve, let's do our open number line. So I'm going to put my open number line here on my board, and you're writing it on your paper. So if you're trying this all by yourself, feel free to pause it here and see what you can come up with for the answer. Okay, and then when you're all set, you can hit play and let's try it together. 23 plus 30. So on our open number line, let's start here with the number 23. And now let's look at our next add in here. We have 30. So we know that 30 is a big number. We need to do some big jumps. So let's see, how many tens are here in 30? We have 3 tens. So we know we need to do 3 big skip jumps of 10. So what we're going to do is, you ready? We're going to do 10, 20, 30. Okay? We want to do 10, 20, 30. And you know, each jump represents 10. So let's go down here. 23 and 10 more equals 33. 10 more than 33 equals 43. And 10 more than 43 equals 53. So we were able to use our open number line here to start with 23 and to add 3 tens because we need to add 30 onto our number. So we did 10, 20, 30. And counting by tens here, we had 23 goes to 33 to 43 to 53. So the sum of 23 plus 30, or the answer is 53. It's so easy. Remember, they're big numbers, but it doesn't mean you have to do big things to get it. These are all things that we've practiced in school. If you can count by tens, you can do these big problems. So let's try one more, and I hope you keep trying to solve it on your own. Let's do some really big numbers. How about, let's do 55 plus 40. 55 plus 40 equals. Our two-digit number to start with is 55, and our multiple of 10 is 40. Okay, remember, don't be scared by these big numbers. We're just going to use our open number line to solve this. So I'm going to draw on my board, and you can draw on your paper the open number line. So remember, the open number line is so easy. You're just doing a line across, and you have your 2 arrows on the end. That's all you have to do to draw your open number line. So we're going to do 55 plus 40. So if we're using our open number line strategy, we want to start with our first number over here, which is 55. So I'm going to put that right here on my number line, 55. So let's look. We're going to add on 40, okay? We need 40 more. So let's look in our tens place here. In our tens place, we have 4 tens. So that means we need to do 4 big skip jumps of 10, okay? So we're going to do 4 skip jumps of 10. So count with me. Ready? We'll do 10, 20, 30, 40. Remember, each jump represents 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Each time we're adding 10. We have 4 10s here. We have 4 10s down here. Okay? So let's see here. We have 55 that we started with. And 10 more than 55 is 65. 10 more than 65 is 75. 10 more than 75 is 85. And 10 more than 85 is, I hope you know it, 95. So let's see, we started with 55. We added 4 10s, which is the same as saying 40. And 55 plus 40 equals 95. So 95 is our sum. It's easy. You didn't need to count out 40 more all individually by ones. You could just do 4 10s. Using the open number line is such an easy strategy. Okay? So you can practice some more at home and just keep drawing out your open number line, and you can get the answers just like that too. So I hope you did a great job on your paper along with me. Remember, today we were working on adding 2-digit numbers with multiples of 10. So you do an awesome job. I know you keep working hard and keep up the great work.